Standard 10th Mathematics Exercise 1.3 7th question. An open box is to be made from a square piece of material 24 centimeter on a side. So each side you will have 24 centimeters. Okay. By cutting equal squares from the corner and turning up the sides, express the volume V of the box as a function of x. They are asking you to find the volume of a box as a function of x. Okay, so we'll just remove x sides from each corner. So here x, and here x, and here x, and all the four sides x sides is removed. Okay, so here total length is 24. By removing your x and x, you will have minus 2x will be removed over there. So in each side you will remove your minus 2x. Okay, that is 24 minus 2x you will have. And they are asking you to find the volume of the box. Okay, and one more diagram, it is given in your book like a cuboid it is there. Okay, after removing the sides of the corner sides, square will become as a cuboid. After removing equal square from the corner, we will get a cuboid. Okay, so the diagram will be there in the book. It will be like a cuboid. So the next is length of a cuboid is L is, so here 24 minus 2x. Okay, so length of a cuboid will become 24 minus 2x. Next is breadth of a cuboid is same, even breadth side it is same thing. We are removing x and x here, so 2x will be removed, so it is 24 minus 2x. Next is height of a cuboid is this x only will become a height, because towards like this only you are going to change it. Height of a cuboid is h, that is equal to, so volume of a box only they have asked you, so volume of a box is equal to volume of a cuboid the formula is L into D into H. Okay, so that is your formula for a cuboid. So if we have got all the values, just substitute it here. L is 24 minus 2x, and your B is again 24 minus 2x, and your H is x. So now here 24 minus 2x and 24 minus 2x is there. So we can write it as 24 minus 2x the whole square into x. A minus b the whole square formula. So a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So just substitute it here. So 24 square, a square is 24 square here. So you'll get 576 minus 2ab. Okay, so 2 into 24 into 2x again plus b square. So plus 2x the whole square into this x is there as it is. So put that x outside. So equal to 576 minus this is 96x plus 2 square will become 4x square will be there. Okay, into this x. So which is equal to 576x minus 96x into x is 96x square plus 4x square into x is 4x cube. So you can write it in your order, 4x cube minus 96x square plus 576x. Volume is equal to this answer. Therefore this is the answer for your 7th question. Standard 10th Mathematics Exercise 1.3 8th question. A function f is defined by f of x is equal to 3 minus 2x. Find x such that Your condition is given f of x square is equal to f of x the whole square. Okay, so difference is there. Just see the question. It is inside square and here it is outside square. So we'll just write given f of x is equal to 3 minus 2x. So just see what all is needed. Here f of x only is there. So you can leave your f of x as it is. But towards your left hand side, this is f of x square inside. Okay. So f of x square is equal to, in the place of x you will have to replace x square. So towards your right hand side also, in the place of x you will have to replace x square. Okay. So it is 3 minus 2 into, if you got x you can write x. So if you got x square you will have to replace x square over there. So f of x square is equal to 3 minus 2x square. Now the condition is f of x square is equal to f of x the whole square. So we have got already f of x square here. So write this answer. So 3 minus 2x square is equal to your f of x then the whole square. So f of x is given over there. So 3 minus 2x then the whole square outside. So 3 minus 2x square. So this is your formula, a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So you can expand using this. Okay, so that is equal to, here in the place of a you got 3, in the place of b it is 2x. Okay, so a square means here 3 square. So 3 square minus 2ab. So minus 2, in the place of a it is 3, in the place of b it is 2x. Then pluses they put plus b square. So b is 2x. So 2x the whole square. So 3 minus 2x square is equal to, 3 square will become 3 3s are 9 minus 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So 12x plus, this is 2x the whole square. Okay, so 2 square will become 4, x square will become x square. Square is only for x. Okay, now take everything towards your left hand side. So 3 minus 2x square, this plus 9 if you take it this side it will become minus 9, minus 12x it will become plus 12x, then plus 4x square will become minus 4x square, which is equal to 0. So now just see your x square terms. Minus 2x square and minus 4x square is there. Minus 6x square and your x term is only plus 12x. So plus 12x. And here constant is 3 and minus 9 is there. So this is plus 3 minus 9. So we'll get minus 6, which is equal to 0. You can divide this by 6 because everywhere you will have a 6 multiplication of 6 over there. So minus 6x square will become minus x square plus 2x. Minus 6 is there, so we'll get minus 1, which is equal to 0. Just take your minus outside, otherwise you can cancel your minus. So you'll get it as x square minus 2x, that is change your symbol altogether. Okay, so it is plus 1, which is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation in x. So just go for your factorization. Here you got plus 1, so write plus 1 on top. Minus 2 is here, so minus 2 down. Search for your number so that you have to get your multiplying two numbers, you will have to get your plus 1. And the same numbers when you are adding or subtracting, you will have to get your minus 2. Okay, so I will just put 1 and 1. Since minus is there down, I will just replace minus and minus. So now just check and see. Minus and minus will become plus. 1 into 1 will become 1. Okay. Minus and minus, both minus is there. So add and put the same sign. So addition you will get 2. Your sign is minus. So minus 2. Okay. So now we can write it as x minus 1. And again x minus 1. Both the minus 1. Okay. So it is equal to 0. That implies x is equal to 1. So this is the answer. They have asked you to find it. Find x only it is asked. So x is equal to 1 is your answer. So this is the answer for your 8th question. 9th question. A plane is flying at a speed of 500 km per hour express the distance d traveled by the plane as function of time t in hours. So they have given the distance d, you have to mention your distance as d, and your time they have given as t, and the speed is given 500 kilometer. Okay, so you all know, we know that formula, we know that, we have studied this formula. Speed is equal to distance divided by time. So you can use this formula. So your distance is, they have asked you to find the distance only. Okay, so distance is equal to, take this time here, so it will become speed into time. So speed into time. So your speed is given 500 kilometers. So it is 500 into your time, they have told you to mention t, and your distance they have given d. So your answer is d is equal to 500 d. So this is the answer for your 9th question.